Nani ataanza? No, of course you do the What are you using? When you say you have no data, what are you using?
Be able to complete the cycle. The second issue on legislation.
All right. So you can balance off. This system will cover the entire education system, from from ECD or other basic education, TVETs, higher education, up to research. It will integrate all our institutions, including all our schools, all our colleges, all our sub-county directors of education, all our county directors of education. All this will be integrated in one ecosystem called KEMIS.
Education committee has been moving across the country and found out that there has been hue and cry on the issues of information, especially from the users, the head teachers of schools, that some students are not being captured in NEMIS. We have had issues across in the polytechnics, issues in the universities, issues concerning the new funding model, the data, the information. So this morning we came so that we can make sure that we give the necessary support to the ministry to ensure that they have one-stop shop on data, so that every child across the country, from ECD all the way to university, is now captured. And it will, you know very well that world over, data is the most important item, the jewel on the table.